In this video, you will learn how to create an opening for a position, select a relevant opening for a hired candidate, and track your openings over time. Step 1. In Comeet, go to the position to which you would like to add an opening. Before creating an opening, we recommend that you provide all the position information in the description tab, as these details will be sent as part of the opening's approval process. Click on the Openings tab. Note that when adding a new position, one opening will be automatically created. To create an opening, click on Add Opening. In the opening window, insert the opening name. Use a descriptive name, such as Jeremy's Team, Midtown Office, or Marketing Berlin. This will help you easily identify the opening later on. Insert the open date. Insert the expected hire date. This data will enable you to monitor, establish recruiting goals, and measure your progress and success in achieving them. From the drop-down menu, select the reason for creating the opening, such as new hire or replacement. To create and approve up to 5 identical openings in one process, you can select the number of openings you want to create. Click Continue. In the Approve tab, select the opening approval process template for this opening. You can add a note for the approvers to give them additional details about the opening or position. Click Send for Approval, which will email an approval request to the teammate or teammates assigned to the first approval step. In this example, a new opening, Jeremy's Team, was created with a pending approval status. Step 2. Approvers don't need to log into Comeet to view, approve, or reject an opening. They can do everything in their email from any device. Once the first step has been fully approved, Comeet will manage each subsequent approval step until the approval process is fully complete. Note that by clicking Pending, the offer assignee can resend the request or approve it on behalf of other teammates if granted permission to do so. When an approver rejects an opening, the approval process stops. The person who created the opening for approval will be automatically notified of the rejection. At this point, if you need to make changes in the opening, in the Details tab, you will be asked if you would like to initiate a new approval. If so, a new approval request will be sent to approvers. After the opening has been fully approved, the assignee will be notified. In this example, Jeremy's Team has been approved, and its status is now open. Step 3. To edit an opening that was not sent for approval, click on the opening. In the Details tab, click Edit, make your changes, and save. If you need to edit an approved opening or an opening that is pending approval, in the Details tab, after you make your changes, you will be asked if you would like to initiate a new approval. Plans change, budgets too. If you need to cancel a planned hire, you must close the opening. Click on the opening you want to close, and then click Close Unfilled. In this example, the Midtown Office opening is now closed. If you need to delete an opening, click the opening you want to delete, then click Delete. In this example, the Marketing Berlin opening has been deleted from the Comeet records. Note that approved openings, or an opening that is pending approval, cannot be deleted. Step 4. When you hire a candidate, we recommend that you select in the Hire window a relevant opening to a candidate, the candidate's application date, and the employee's first day of work. Step 5. For reporting purposes, you can track your opening's position over time. Click on your company name at the top right and select Reports. In the Overview report, choose the time period you would like to review, and you will see the total number of openings which were open during the selected time period, the number of open, closed, unfilled openings, in addition to hires, time to hire, the average time between creating the opening and hiring the candidate, apply to hire, the average time between receiving the candidate's application and the completed hire, and time to onboard, the average time between the creation of the opening and the successful candidate's first day of work. On the right side of the report, you will be able to see a stacked bar chart of your openings or positions over time. Another useful report that you can use is the Hires report. Under Positions, click on Hires. In the Hires report, you can see additional details about the openings regarding your hired candidates, which opening was selected for the hired candidate, when the opening was created, and the candidate's hire date and his or her first day of work. Also, there is an option to export the Hires report to Excel or print it for your needs. To accurately measure your openings over time, it's important to keep the position openings up to date. This will ensure the consistency of the reports. Congratulations! You now know how to create an opening for a position, select a relevant opening for a hired candidate, and track your openings over time. Thank you for watching the opening videos.